Here are the exercises for Chapter 11 on structures. Yep, you guessed it, we're going back to the course project. I think it's fair to say that there's an obvious candidate for a structure in the course project. It is of course the CD. So we're going to create a structure called CD type, and then we're going to create also a typedef shorthand called CD_T. Okay, both of these definitions we're going to put in the header file. And if you're wondering how we're going to do this, before, remember, we had an array of titles, an array of artists, an array of prices, an array of number of tracks, and so on. Now we're just going to have an array of structures. Now before you go getting all worried about that, treat that just as you would an array of any other type of variable, like an array of integers. An array of structures is just the same. If you're worrying about how you might reference a structure element, this is how you do it. If there's an array of structures, you put the name of the array first, in other words employees, then the square brackets saying which one you want. Well, we want the 23rd one, or if you really want to be pedantic, we want the 24th one, and then you put the dot, and then you put the field. So that will set the 24th employee's age to be equal to 40. Okay, so have a bit of a stare at that so that you know how to do it, and that's all you'll need to worry about for the entire course project changes. That's the only clever bit. Okay, I also would like you to create a new function that's sole purpose in life is to read in all the details of one CD. Okay, you can use the existing functions that we've got, like readInt and readFloat and readString, to do it. So it's not going to be a very long or difficult function, I'm guessing. And finally, the output function that we have is kind of a silly name now. Let's make that more consistent with our naming. We could call that print CD. So we've got a read CD and a print CD. Obviously output will have to have some other changes as well, just other than just its name, which I guess was the whole purpose of this chapter. We were trying to figure out how we could reduce the number of parameters to the output function from 5. Well, I won't tell you how many there are going to be, but I'm sure you can guess how many parameters there are going to be to the print CD function now. Print CD's sole purpose in life will be to print the details of one CD. Just one, not the entire array, just one. That's the same with read CD. I want you to read in one CD, not an entire array of them. Okay, good luck. Let's see how you go.